Genesis G90 redefining luxury in 2025. Luxury car enthusiasts, gearheads, and anyone who appreciates a seriously stylish ride, today, we're setting our sights on a car that's shaking up the established order, the all-new 2025 Genesis G90. This isn't your grandpa's luxury sedan, it's a blend of cutting-edge tech, stunning design, and powerful performance that's sure to turn heads. So hit that subscribe button and shift into gear as we explore why the G90 should be your next automotive obsession. Design elements where elegance meets modernity. The first glimpse of the 2025 G90 is enough to stop you in your tracks. It's a beautiful balance of classic elegance and modern innovation. The long, flowing hood whispers power, while the sharp lines and sculpted bodywork create a dynamic presence. Imagine sleek LED headlights and taillights that add a touch of futuristic flair without compromising on sophistication. But the G90 isn't just a pretty face. The design is meticulously crafted for aerodynamics, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride on any road. Picture yourself cruising down the highway in a cocoon of serenity, exuding an aura of quiet confidence. Performance unleashed power and refinement in perfect harmony. Genesis is known for keeping details close to the vest, but rumors paint a picture of a thrilling driving experience. We're talking whispers of a next-generation twin-turbocharged V6 engine, or even a potential plug-in hybrid option for the eco-conscious driver. Regardless of the powertrain, expect smooth, effortless acceleration and a feeling of refined power at your command. The 2025 G90 is also expected to boast a sophisticated suspension system that absorbs bumps and imperfections in the road. Imagine carving up corners with confidence, yet feeling completely comfortable on long journeys. Technical talk for the gearheads. For the tech-savvy car lovers out there, let's get a little more detailed. Whispers suggest an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters for those who crave ultimate control over gear changes. Additionally, rumors of a limited slip differential hint at putting all that power down effectively for maximum grip on winding roads. Unique selling point luxury you can actually afford. Here's where the 2025 Genesis G90 truly sets itself apart. It offers all the luxury and refinement you'd expect from a high-end brand, but at a price tag that won't break the bank. Imagine owning a car that rivals the established European names in every way, but without the hefty price markup. The G90 is a game-changer, making true luxury more accessible than ever before. Step inside a tech oasis. But the G90's value proposition goes beyond affordability. Step inside the meticulously crafted cabin and be greeted by a haven of technology and comfort. Think of it as a first-class airplane seat for the road. Plush leather seats with available massage functions, a panoramic sunroof that bathes the interior in natural light, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a massive touchscreen are just a few of the highlights. The 2025 Genesis G90 is a force to be reckoned with. It's a car that blends heart-stopping design with innovative technology and powerful performance, all wrapped up in a package that won't break the bank. Whether you're a seasoned luxury car aficionado or someone looking for an exceptional driving experience, the G90 deserves a closer look. Let us know in the comments below what excites you most about the 2025 G90. Would you choose the powerful gasoline engine or the eco-friendly hybrid? Hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting car content, and as always, happy travels.